What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very fun unboxing. TeamiTea. I have tried their teas, I've tried their matcha latte, I've tried their face masks. Well, they sent me their tea infused oil, which is called Soothe. Now you guys know I have very stubborn skin. I mean, time of the month, I get acne, blemishes, it's not that fun. But I also have very oily skin. I mean, literally, there are some days where my skin produces so much oil that if the sun reflected off my forehead, it might blind someone. So when TeamiTea sent me this oil, I was like, no thank you, I already have very oily skin. But they claim that if you actually apply oil to oily skin, it will prevent your own skin from overproducing oil. So let's give it a try. All right, so let's check out Soothe tea infused oil. So first of all, packaging, adorable, and we did not plan this, but we totally match. It even has flowers. Oh, and it's cruelty-free, very important. What makes it work? Lavender flower cleanses and purifies the skin of redness and inflammation, two very important things that my skin needs. White sage leaf reverses the signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. And blue tansy essential oil encourages relaxation and reduces tension. It's kind of cool, so let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, whoa. Okay, talk about being 100% natural. Like literally the sage and lavender are in there. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it just smells like I walked into a spa. Have you ever been to a gym where they have the little cold fridges full of towels that smell like eucalyptus? That's what this smells like. I am actually so excited to put this all over my face. Ooh, and then so the applicator. So it says to use 2 to 5 drops. And as you can see, this is really easy to make those drops. And you don't actually get the sage or the lavender in the tube, which is nice. And you get a lot of oil in there. So this would last you a very long time. They always say that it's really important to, whatever you put on your face, also put on your neck and chest. And because you have a lot of oil here, I highly recommend really lathering your neck and your chest as well as your face. Because they say that your neck is the first place that you're gonna start seeing age wrinkles, and that's a no-no. So I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now because it is oil, a little obviously goes a long way. Oh, it smells so good. Rub it together. You could even like, honestly, this would actually be really good even for cuticles. I bet you could even put it in your hair. Men, they could lather their beard with it for men and women. Ooh, it feels so good. And you know what? It's not too oily. I mean, look, that was 5 drops. I just rubbed it all over my hands and they're not too oily. I say I take off my makeup and let's try it on my face. All right, so makeup is off. Please ignore my third eye. But now I'm going to apply it to my face and I'm really excited. So it says 2 to 5 drops in your hand and then rub your hands together to warm up the oil. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, seriously, like girls' night or after a stressful day at work, if you come home and you put this on your skin, or even to start your morning off on like a relaxing note, this stuff, oh my God, because it says it's best for morning and night, and this makes your skin feel so soft. I mean, even with all my blemishes, my skin feels amazing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a little bit more on my neck and my chest. My friends are gonna come over, my whole body is gonna be covered in oil. but it's good for your skin. All right, so I don't know if it's like already working, but one of the things it's supposed to do is reduce redness and inflammation. And when I first took off my makeup, I had red spots on my skin, and I'm used to that. Now that I've put this oil on, I feel like those red spots have kind of gone away. So it's already working in just a few seconds, which is a huge sign. And I mean, everything takes time, so I'm excited to start using this every morning and night. And I'm gonna see if it really does reduce my production of oil, and more importantly, my redness and inflammation. Those are two things I really struggle with. So if this oil that's all infused with tea can help with that, heck yeah. You guys know, like, I'm always looking for new things to help with my skin. I'm excited to see if it works because my skin just has a mind of its own. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. And you know what else? I'm actually gonna leave this tea infused oil out like next to my sink because it's kind of like a decor. It's interesting to look at, isn't it? With all the little petals inside. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any other skin secrets, please share them with me. And if you have any other products you want me to review, let me know in the comments below, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye guys.